Hello guys, in this video we will see how to export PostgreSQL data to CSV file or Excel file. To export we use the command copy, and this is the synopsis or syntax to export table data to CSV or Excel file. Copy, then table name or query to file name, and with options. See, we have these options: format, OIDs, delimiter, null, header. Header means it will send column names to CSV file but not other formats. Quote, escape, force quote, force not null, encoding. See, here we have all the options description. Go through them and understand. Okay, first create a directory to export the data. Make dir -p exports. I am going to copy this train database tables, give the name as train. I am just giving the database name. Press enter. Now we have to change the owner of this directories. ch1 Postgres Postgres and give the directory full path. Let's verify. See, we have changed the owner to Postgres. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Let's see the list of the databases. See, I have only 4 tables. Now I am going to export MP table data to a CSV file. Command is copy, then table name. Here table name is MP2. Copy MP2. Then we have to provide the directory to store these CSV files. Quote, single quote, then give the path, then give the file name. You can give anything, underscore emp dot csv, then close the quotations, then delimiter. Delimiter, every column it will separate with comma. Then CSV header, which means it will include column names. Then press enter. See, it has copied 7 records. My table size is less, that's why it has taken very short time. Now go to this directory and verify data copied to this file or not. This file is automatically created by this copy command. cd exports, then train ls-ltrh. See, the file has been created, and let's verify the contents of this file, this CSV file. Head -file, then the file name. See, first row contains table column names and remaining lines contains the actual data. Now I am going to export. Same emp table data to Excel file /dt. See, table name is emp, then use the command to export. Copy emp to single quote, then provide the path. Exports train, then provide the name, train underscore emp dot xls, then close the quotation and put the semicolon at the end of the statement. See, operation is success. Go to this path. See, I am already there in train directory. Exports, then train directory. Let's verify list of the files. See, we have the command has successfully created train underscore emp .xls. Let's verify the content of this file as well. More. See, it has successfully exported data, but it has not added the column names. In the above two examples, we have copied entire table data. Suppose if you want to copy query result to a CSV or Excel file, run the command copy, select EMP number, ename and job from EMP. Then provide the path to export this query data to CSV file. Train emp_query.csv. Close the quotation. Delimiter. Here I am giving separation as comma, then CSV header. Header means it includes column names. See, it has successfully copied this query result to this emp_query.csv file. Let's verify. Go to that path, ls-ltrh, see, this is the file generated. Let's verify the content of this file. More. See, it has copied first as column name and remaining are query result. In the previous file, it copied all the columns, but in this example, it copied only the query result. So, in this video, we have seen how to export PostgreSQL data to CSV or Excel file. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.